Okay, so the two German tornadoes are going to go up, and tornado, depends on what part of the continent you're from, and they're going to join up on each other, and they're going to be doing a high-performance pass from right to left with a max performance climb out. So as they go by, there's not many of us out here yet, but maybe give them a wave with your hats as they go by, and we'll be sending them back off to sunny Goose Bay. I'm sure they're looking forward to that after spending a wonderful night here in Moose Jaw. You can have the rest of everything I own, 'cause I have found me a home. Yes, I have found me a home.
Am I tracking the second one here, Code? Am I tracking the first tornado or the second tornado? I lost the first one.
The second one,
I think I did too. It doesn't matter, right? They're going to join up.
Zoom out because they're going to do a nice thing.
Here it comes. Is that the second one I'm tracking? Over the danger sign out there? Over the three. Over the three.
Yeah, that's the first one.
That's the first one I picked up again. Okay, good.
They come.
Well, it's going to buzz behind this ball here. I lost him behind the radar here. There he is again. Come behind the radar station. Come behind the radar station. There he is. Okay, I got him. Oh yeah, I see him coming behind now.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you look eyes out to the right now, you'll see the smoke coming in, and that is the tornadoes from the Luftwaffe, the German Air Force.
And I get this radar again.
Smoking it up kind of like their cousins, the Phantoms. There you go, folks. How about that? Now,